Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to embed or add YouTube channel in WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add or display YouTube channel in WordPress. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write YouTube WordPress plugin by Embed Plus. So this is plugin. So click on install now and then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. On left side you see YouTube free, so click on it. So we are in YouTube setting and then you see default, API key, wizard, galleries, performance, compatibility. You see multiple options. So in default you see YouTube option, centering, autoplay. If you want you can enable it. If you want you can enable loop all your videos. Now you see related video and then you see width, height. So you can set dimension according to requirement and then you see more option, show control. So you can do setting according to requirement and then click on save changes. Now scroll up, we are going to add API key. Now you see tab, so click on it and then you see YouTube API key. So you can generate YouTube API key in Google Developer Console. Now you see click this link, open it and follow instruction to generate YouTube API key. Now back to plugin setting and then we are going to add API key. Now paste and then click on save changes. Now you see changes were saved. Now close. Now you see wizard, so click on it and then you see Visual Studio wizard direction and then you see galleries, gallery page size 15. You see enter how many thumbnail per page should be shown at once. YouTube allow a maximum 50 per page. Number of column 3. Show pagination enable. Custom next, previous text. If you want you can enable this option. Also if you want you can enable show subscribe button. So it's up to you. Now you see different option. Now scroll up. You see performance, compatibility. Now you see multiple option. Now go to page and refresh the page. So now we are going to add YouTube channel and then you see YouTube, so click on it. Now you see pop up and then you see embed a channel, so click on it. So you can add your channel URL. Now you see some instruction and then click on get channel. So we are going to add all channel URL. Now you see YouTube channel URL and then click on get channel. Now you see playlist layout, gallery layout, you see code. Now scroll down, you see, so this is our channel and then you see channel name web task with Hassan. Now click on insert as gallery. Now you see code added and then click on publish. Now publish done. Now open page and then you see video. Now you see gallery 3 column. Now you see total page 171. Now you see next, so click on it. So in this way you can embed your YouTube channel in WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.